Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sparkwala. So in this video I am going to demonstrate you how we can make virtual environment for any Python projects. Okay, so first of all you can make your virtual environment in any of your favorite drives. So my favorite drive is D, so I'm going to change to D drive. You can change like this. Now I am in my D drive. Here I am going to make a new directory for making virtual environment. So we can put here mkdir. So we can, after mkdir we can put the name of our directory. So I'm going to name our directory something like poker web. So now we have made our directory. Okay, so now we have made our directory, so we have to move to this directory. So we can write cd and then poker web. And now I and now I am in my directory. See, you can see here poker web. Now here we are going to create our virtual environment. Okay, so for that we have to write a code. The code is like this: python. So okay, after Python we can use slash dash m and venv when, and then name our virtual environment. Whatever name you give, that will be the name of your virtual environment. So I'm going to name my virtual environment like this: Shubham, and then venv. Okay. So hit enter. After hitting enter, it will try to create this virtual environment. Okay, so it will, I think it will take some time. So for that we can wait for some time. Yeah, see, you can see now it's done. Now we have to activate this. Okay, so for activating this we have to write a code like name of our virtual environment. So our name of the virtual environment is Shubham, and then slash venv, and name of this, and then we have to give a slash. After this we have to write scripts. Okay, after that we have to give activate, and after this we have to hit enter. Now you can see that my virtual environment has been created as well as activated. So that's all. Now we are in our virtual environment. You can see it's in bracket name of our virtual environment. Now we can do anything. So for example, if I'm going to my VS code, so wait, I'm going to my VS code. So you can see here that this Subham VNB, this is my virtual environment. All the resources and dependencies are here. Now we can work here. Okay, so this was all about how to create the Python. This was all about how we can create the Python virtual environment. And one workaround is that there are sometimes you will get error. Okay, for example, wait, when we will write Python slash mvenb subam venb, after we will hit enter. Okay, or after this there might be error. After we write this activate command, it will not activate. So for this, that workaround, I am giving you a code. You have to try this code. Okay, so we have to write like this. We have to use the set execution policy unrestricted. Okay, like this you can see here: set execution policy. Okay, unrestricted, unrestricted. Okay, after that you will hit enter, and then I think it will be working. So that's all, friends. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for something interesting videos like this. Okay, thank you very much.